check that penalty for applying false denomination. It is a punishable with the imprisonment for a term which is not less than 3 months, but which may extend up to the 2 years. So, here you can just generally in any of the IP the minimum you can say the imprisonment is 6 months, but here you can just check in this act it is a 3 months is a that minimum, and maximum you can just check here it is a 2 years. Okay. And fine is like 50,000 and more which can go up to 5 lakhs. Generally if you see 2 lakh 3 lakh is the upper limit, but in case of a plant varieties you can just check the 5 lakh is the observation. You can do the comparison of all acts and check that particular thing. Then penalty for selling varieties to which false denomination is applied, you can just check it is like again 6 months, then the maximum 2 years, and then the 50,000 and a 5 lakh, this is the limit. For representing a variety as a registered, again 6 months, and then there is like 3 years, and 1 lakh is like minimum and 5 lakh is the maximum as per the act. Penalty for subsequent offense if future, obviously it will increase, and minimum